Hey everyone, how's it going? So what am I working on now? Well, nothing actually. I'm working on a thank you. Uh, I started this channel 3 years ago, and I kind of started it on a whim. And I had recorded something for somebody, and it was about freeing up brake caliper pins that were the slides that were seized on a caliper. Somebody up in New York, I'm down here in North Carolina, so I made a video on it just to show them. And I sent it to them in Messenger, and they said, wow, that's actually a pretty good video. You should consider doing that on YouTube. I never really thought too much of it. So one day when I was at the shop I was at the time, I started making a couple of videos here and there. And if you look back to the very first couple of videos, they're pretty bad. And I believe it was on a Hummer H3 with a rear differential issue. The car had been submerged partially in salt water. So, but anyway, from there it started progressing. And I actually almost gave up on it. It was probably 4 months into it, maybe 5 months, something in that range. I'd have to look and find out the exact timeline. But during that period of time, I had made a video, and I'm sure a lot of you know the video. It was a ticking Sierra that actually wasn't ticking. The guy had dropped it off with me, and for a ticking noise, and I believe it's a 2009, I don't recall off the top of my head. But it's the one that has the covers going over the valve covers, the plastic covers. Not like the early ones that came on the Cadillac 6 liters. This was the later 5.3. And the ignition wire had popped off the coil, and you could hear the spark arcing from the coil to the wire. And you could hear that tat, 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 tat. So anyway, I made the video on that, and I showed what it was, and I fixed it, and I didn't charge them. And I got a lot of comments from people saying I should have charged them. No, I did very well by not charging him. So, but regardless. And that video started taking off. And like I said, I was about to give up. And then my daughter Kate contacted me, and she says, hey, that video with the ticking Sierra is really, it's going somewhere. I don't know if you noticed it. Like all my videos had like 20, 30 views, something like that. And then this one had 10,000 views. So it's like, wow, okay, I'd never expected it. And I kept watching it. Next thing I know, the thing has 100,000 views, and I was just like, I was blown away. So it kind of re-energized me a little bit. So I started making the videos better. At least I hope. I hope I did. And it kind of led to what we have now. I mean, I have a couple of videos with, I know I have at least one with 2 million views, and I have several other videos with over 1 million views. I might have two with 2 million views now. I don't know. But anyway, what I'm getting at is, not yesterday, but well, yesterday early morning, I hit 100,000 subscribers, and I have all of you to thank for that. I'm humbled. I would have never in a million years guessed that 100,000 people would have subscribed to my channel, and it's mind-blowing. It really is, because really all I'm doing is what I always do. I record everything with my phone. You're seeing me with my phone right now. And I'm on my way to the shop. I haven't left the driveway yet. But I do everything with my phone. I do all my editing. I do everything with my phone. So what you're seeing is, it's like I compare my stuff to other people's videos, and I'm like, wow, my videos are actually kind of crappy. You know, the audio is usually not the best. The video quality might not be the best. I might be all over the place with the camera, you know, stuff like that. But I guess you all like it. So. Anyway, I just wanted to say, you know, thank you so much to everybody. Again, I'm quite humbled and blown away. Blown away. I couldn't have done it without you. I really couldn't. So I want to give a big shout out, thank you also to Kate, my daughter Kate, and her husband Chris. My son Chris, who was really the main reason for me starting this. And just, you know, like my son Chris, he's a nurse, or he's in the process of becoming a nurse. And Kate was actually in the business for many years as a service writer. However, she was one of the most involved service writers you're ever going to meet, because she also works on her own car, and she fixes her own stuff. So, and her husband Chris, he's a mechanic also. And her husband is the one, remember the video with that shop with all the high-end cars and all the memorabilia and the supercharged charger stuff? That's where her husband Chris works. But anyway, I'm going off on a tangent here. Kate is the one who really got me to keep going, and so I want to say a big shout out and thank you to her, Kate Johnston. But anyway, that's it. I got to get to work. I'm running late, as usual. I'm always fashionably late. But anyway, that's about it. Just, again, a big thank you to everyone. 100,000 subscribers. Wow. Who would have ever guessed my little channel would have gotten to 100,000 subscribers? So, all right, guys. Have a great day. I know I'm going to. Keep wrenching.